welcome to tutorial 1 of the ArcGIS Online Basics, based on exercise 1 of the manual based on flooding. In this tutorial we will learn how to create a public account on ArcGIS Online, how to log in to our public account on ArcGIS Online, and how to navigate through the Map tab, My Content tab and My Profile tab of the ArcGIS Online account, and also how to sign out of our account when we are finished with it. So to begin, go down to this link. We can highlight it and put it into our web browser, but we can also hold down Control and left click with the mouse on the link and it will take us straight to the web page. As you can see, it opens up the ArcGIS Online home page. From this point we will then go to the top right hand corner where it says sign in and left click that with the mouse. And then go down to the bottom left hand corner of the page where it says create a public account. Click that button with the left button on your mouse. At this point, students should fill in information based on their own information. I am going to create one that is not a real one, but students should fill in a username and a password that they will remember. They should also fill in their first name and last name, and then an email that they have access to. As at this point you will, when you click agree to the terms and conditions and you say create my account, an email will be sent to the email address that you supply, and you will have to, from this point, accept that link that they have given you, and it just creates the account and tells them that this is a real person that has created this account, and it just confirms it all and will create the account for you. So you will receive an email in your email box, click the link, follow it, and it will create the account for you. Another note to make would be the security question here for a password recovery. I would suggest to choose what high school did you go to, and your answer would be the Royal School Armagh. Like I said, at this point you would then click on this and tick I accept and agree to the terms and conditions, and then click create my account. But I have already created one, so we are going to use my account for this. So I'm going to go back out of this, but you would accept the link that is given to you in the email. It will bring you back to this page for signing in. I will use my account for the rest of these tutorials. And sign in. As we can see, it brings us back to the home page. If we look in the top right hand corner, instead of sign in, we now see our profile name. So I'm going to drop that down and click on my profile. And we can see it opens up my profile. The students should be able to see their name and their email address. No other of the other parts of this information needs to be filled in to use ArcGIS Online, but it could be filled in if the student wishes to do so. So as we can see at the top left hand corner, there's lots of tabs: features, plans, gallery, map, scene, groups, and my content. The one that we will be using mostly will be map and my content, as well as using the search bar. Just for illustration, we are going to go to map. So as we can see, it opens up a map, and we can see that the tabs have now gone from the top left hand corner of the screen. And this is where we would create the maps and add some data, base maps, things like that, save our maps. But this was just for illustration of what we do to get back to our profile. So we just would click on our name again on the top right hand corner and click on my profile, and it will bring us back to that original page. So if you ever get lost, always go to my profile and you can get back to where the original tabs were. So from this we need to know how to sign out of ArcGIS Online. If we go back to the profile tab on the top right hand corner next to the search bar, and down at the very bottom it states sign out. This must be done every time we finish a class or part of an exercise when your class is over, so that it doesn't remain logged in. So we just click sign out with the left hand button on our mouse, and as we can see it takes us back to the home page again, and we would need to sign in again if we wanted to enter into the ArcGIS Online again.